Hello everybody! For today's vlog, napakasimple lang ng ating tutorial. Today ay tuturuan ko kayo kung paano nga ba kumuha ng NBI clearance. For those of you who doesn't know, itong NBI clearance ay isang official document na nire-release ng National Bureau of Investigation na nagpapatunay na malinis ang criminal record ng isang tao. Para saan nga ba ito? Pwede mo itong gamitin for work abroad. Kung ikaw ay first-time job seeker applicant, kung ikaw naman ay naghahanap or nangangailangan ng another ID, pwede din siya. And kung ikaw naman ay mag-a-apply ng trabaho kahit local pa man yan. Kasi meron ibang mga company sa Pilipinas na nire-require pa rin ng NBI clearance for assessment purposes. So, wag na nating patagalin pa. Let's now go to the tutorial. So guys, for today, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano kumuha ng NBI online. So the first thing you have to do is you have to search clearance.nbi.gov.ph. Ilalagay ko rin yung link sa description box below. And yes, this is the official NBI clearance website. Okay, let's click agree. And then here, pwede nyo siyang basahin. So here makikita nyo kung para saan nga ba itong website na to. This is for first-time applicants, renewal of NBI clearance, renewal but merong correction sa NBI clearance nyo. And ito naman yung mga valid government-issued IDs na kailangan nila sa'yo. And take note, hindi pala nila tinatanggap yung company ID and yung barangay clearance. Pero kung first-time job seeker ka naman, ay pwede nilang tanggapin yung barangay certificate. Okay, let's click close. So here guys, kung first-time applicant kayo, you need to register here. Click nyo yung no kung wala pa kayong NBI clearance. And you have to fill up this form. Make sure na everything is correct. Make sure na lahat ng info na ibibigay nyo or ilalagay nyo dito ay tama. At kung may account ka naman, just scroll up and click sign in here. Okay. Since meron na tayong account, magsa-sign in na lang ako para makita nyo. Okay, so here, ito na ang ating profile. Kung meron na kayong account or kung nakagawa na kayo ng account, ito yung makikita nyo. And yes, pagkatapos nyan, you need to click apply for clearance. And ito, type of ID, ilalagay nyo siya dyan. Kung ano yung i-represent nyo kapag pumunta na kayo sa NBI, ayun yung ilalagay nyo na ID here, pati yung ID number. Let's click agree. Okay, after that, kailangan nyong mag-book ng appointment. So here, first thing you have to do, you have to select the NBI branch. Kung ano yung pinakamalapit sa inyo. And since nasa Manila tayo, let's search Manila. And for me, mas convenient talaga pumunta sa Robinsons, Manila, since yun yung pinakamalapit sa akin. So, I will click this one. And here, makikita nyo kung ano yung available dates na pwede kayong pumunta. So, let's click here. AM is umaga and PM is afternoon. Let's click AM. And dito sa gilid, makikita nyo yung payment options, payment method. Pwede kayong mag-over-the-counter. Pwede kayong magbayad sa any banks like BDO, Metrobank, BPI, Land Bank, RCBC, China Bank, East West, marami pang iba. Online bank naman, pwede kayong gumamit ng online banking para bayaran yung NBI clearance nyo. And pwede rin naman kayong mag-cash payments. Kailangan nyo lang pumunta dito. Nakalista lahat yan dito kung saan kayo pwedeng pumunta. EasyPay, pwede din, 7-Eleven, I think convenient din ito para sa inyo kasi 7-Eleven is just everywhere. Okay, but as we can see here, meron problema yung 7-Eleven ngayon, but for the coming days or kung nakita nyo to or pinapanood nyo to, I think wala naman na siyang problema, baka ngayon lang to. Or kung meron naman kayong Visa or Mastercard, debit card, credit card, pwede nyo rin yung gamitin. And yeah, also convenient yung GCash payment method. PayMaya, ShopeePay, and DragonPay. Okay. So for the purpose of this video, let's click. I will click cash payments. Then let's click proceed. And double check nyo yung appointment schedule nyo kung available nga ba talaga kayo on that day. And kung available kayo on that day, you can now proceed to payment. And here makikita nyo yung reference number nyo. Kailangan nyo rin tong i-take note, kailangan nyo tong ilista kasi tatanungin kayo nila about your reference number. And ito yung reference number nyo. Transaction date August 31. Ito yung date ngayon and yung appointment date September 5. So bakit siya pending? Kasi hindi pa tayo nagbabayad. But once you paid it, once na pumunta kayo or once na nagbayad kayo using your payment method, your chosen payment method, makikita nyo dito na paid na siya. And the most important thing is kailangan yung pumunta sa appointment date nyo. So kapag meron na kayong appointment, pumunta ka sa NBI branch na pinili mo, bring valid ID and your reference number, pati yung payment receipt, at doon ka na rin nila pipicturan and magfi-fingerprint scan. And kung wala namang hit sa name mo, makakuha mo agad yung NBI clearance the same day. Pero kung may hit ka, and alam mo naman sa sarili mo na hindi ikaw yon at kaparehas mo lang naman ng pangalan, then don't worry, you'll just need to come back on the release date that they will give you. Good thing is, kung meron ka ng NBI clearance before, pwede mo na siyang i-process online at ipapadala nila sa'yo ito. Hindi mo na kailangan pumunta doon sa NBI branches or NBI offices para kumuha ulit ng NBI clearance. And you just have to go to their website and click here. Over here. Click here. Once you click it, ito yung lalabas. You have to put your old NBI ID, mobile number, kasi magpapadala sila sa'yo ng OTP, first name mo, middle name, last name. Kung married ka naman, kailangan mong gamitin yung maiden name mo. Kung ano yung naka-register dun sa NBI clearance mo. And yeah, you have to put your birth date and verify. Once you click on that, mariredirect ka naman sa payment method. Again, the payment method na available earlier will be the same payment method na gagamitin at pwede mong gamitin dito. So, pagkatapos mong magbayad, makaka-receive ka ng confirmation na paid ka na, and you just have to wait for, based from my experience, naghintay ako ng 1 week bago nila dineliver ito. But good thing is, hindi ko na kailangang pumila sa NBI offices or NBI branches para lang kumuha ulit ng NBI clearance kasi nga, pwede ka nang mag-apply ng renewal online. And I think it's very convenient, not only for me but also for those people na kailangan lang talagang mag-renew. So, hindi mo na kailangang pumila ng napakahaba at pwede mo na lang siyang gawin online. And there you have it. Nawa ay may natutunan kayo sa ating tutorial and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye!